Hey, here's my Vegetable Spiralizer by Fullstar. This is a nice, compact, handy little vegetable spiralizer. It's worked really well. I've had it for a few years at this point. Here it is in use. I'm spiralizing some zucchini here. Goes right into the container, drops right out. And you can also spiralize it right onto a plate if you don't want to bother with the container itself. It all kind of comes apart like this. This makes for easy cleaning. This is dishwasher safe. You have a couple settings depending on how you want to spiralize your vegetable on the top here. And then the cap here has some prongs that makes it easy to grip the vegetable when you're turning it in. I also love how it's relatively clean after you're done spiralizing. This makes cleanup easy if you want to hand wash it. But like I said, I usually stick it in the dishwasher.